Hi guys, I'm Monique.
Hi, I'm Will.
And we are living the good life, RVing. And we're coming to you from sunny Florida still. We're headed today to grab some boxes at Home Depot. So we just wanted to have you come along on our journey of packing and preparing for our journey to California, so we can go get our RV and begin our RV living. So come with us.
Yes. Ready to go.
So baby, it's getting closer to us leaving. Are you excited, nervous? What are you feeling?
I'm ready to go yesterday.
Oh, okay, good.
So
how are you feeling now?
I'm feeling just awesome.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Lord, it's nice, but I'm ready to go.
All right.
Yep.
So I have been busy all week. I have been packing, storage sealing, getting rid of stuff still. Like, I feel like we downsize and downsize and downsize more. And we really need to downsize even more than what we're. It's just, I don't know what it is about getting rid of stuff or letting go. Like, I don't understand. Why is it so hard to let go of stuff? Like, we really don't need it. It's just trinkets and junk, to be honest. I mean, some of it, yes, has sentimental value.
All you have to do is just think of that song. Let it go.
But babe, you're the worst when it comes to letting it go. And I'm like, babe, you don't need that. You don't need that.
Yeah, we do. Well,
like, you don't need two black wigs.
The what?
You don't need two black wigs.
Black wig? Oh yeah, I do.
You don't need 30 baseball caps.
I do.
You don't.
You do, because you gotta match your cap to your clothing.
No. It's called Let It Go.
And certain caps.
Remember that? You were telling me let it go.
I know, but that's other stuff. This is important stuff.
That's not important.
You gotta have your cap, but you gotta represent. See, all day. And you know, you gotta have your drag racing stuff. You know,
it's not important.
So yeah, you gotta have your stuff aligned. You gotta have your priorities.
And I have put out a big old shout to my family: do not buy me any clothes for Christmas, my birthday. I need no clothes. Like, I need none whatsoever. Like,
hey, we need that right there.
I have so many clothes that is just, I didn't even realize how many clothes I had.
Man, there's some stuff in there we need.
Figure out how to get you in the camera too, because you're so tall.
Do we need a basket?
We're getting boxes, so yes. Hi guys.
Hello.
Hello.
All right. So now we have to head over and purchase our boxes. So let's go and do that. We're headed to aisle 3. Aisle 3. Nope. Aisle 2. This brings back memories. Working at Home Depot. Brings back so many memories. Hi to all my Home Depot peeps. Alright, so since I have to lift the boxes and that one doesn't, I have to get boxes that I can lift and not feel too heavy. So I'm gonna do the heavy duty medium boxes.
What do you need, babe?
I need 3.
3 of these?
No, I need 4.
Of these?
Yeah, those are medium, yeah.
Got it. What else?
Because the boxes that I'm taking and redoing, they're medium boxes, so. Full beans.
Any more?
I don't think so. I think that's all I need. I'm gonna repack 3 boxes that I already currently have packed. I need tape. Tape?
We got tape?
No, I need tape. I don't need like a whole bunch of tape. Just a little bit of tape. Okay. Oh, we need bug spray. Let's go get bug spray. Because I don't want to bring back any Florida bugs to California. And I definitely don't want them bugs in my stuff. And there's so many bugs here in Florida. So I gotta make sure you get rid of the bugs. Like they have Halloween stuff up. Bing. Let's see. I think bug spray's back here. For camping, you got all the stuff for bonfires and stuff. Okay, let's see here. I need a very inexpensive bug spray. Let's see. Raid is probably best. What's better? Hot Shot or Raid? I usually get the Raid Max. When in doubt, go with Raid. It's cheaper than Hot Shot Max, I guess. Alright. We got boxes. We got bug spray. We got tape. Anything else we need?
Got a marker?
It's at home.
Okay. That's it.
We should be good to go. Let's go. Halloween stuff. You know, people actually at Disney, Walt Disney World, decorate the outsides of their campers with all Halloween gory stuff and light up stuff. It's really pretty cool though. Really, really cool, really. Let's check out. Time to check out. This way. Alright, all checked out. Got our boxes, got our tape. Head back to the house to pack. Trying to get used to walking around, having everybody stare at you. Like, why are they recording this now? Well, see, they don't know. People record themselves all the time on YouTube. I just like to see their faces as they stare at you like, what are they doing? We're moving. We're going back to California. We're moving. You want to go back to California? You want to move? You want to go back home? You want to go back to California? You want to see your grandma in California? You want to go see Lily and Albert? You want to go see Jamal and Mimi? You want to go back to California? Home? You want to go home? Back to California? You miss California? Today, spent the day at the library, and we were preparing a very special document that we need before we leave. So we prepared our 30-day notice. So stuff's really getting real right now.
Yes, it is.
So right now we're headed to go get it printed out. So come with us.
Yes.
So when you're planning to move, and if you're not like us, we don't own anything.
Nope.
We rent. So, and technically we're renting from family, but when you don't own and you need to prepare to leave, you need to make sure that you give a 30-day notice to whoever you're renting from.
Yep.
Or whoever you're living with, so that you can make sure that you do your proper due diligence and make sure that you leave properly. Right, babe?
Yes. That's the law.
All right. So we're headed to go print that out and get it ready. All right. So the 30-day notice should include your name, your address, the date that you're going to give the notice, and it should also include 30 days of, and then the exact date of when you're going to leave. And it should also let them know what you're planning to do with their keys. And oh yeah, and a forwarding address. And then that's pretty much it.
That's all you're required to do.
Okay, we got our paperwork. We're all set.
Yep.
Ready for this journey, babe?
Huh?
Ready for this journey?
Yes, I am.
All right. Hey guys, I'm getting ready to go through something that I don't want to get rid of when we go RVing, is my Tupperware.
All right.
I'm cleaning out all my Tupperware, preparing it for the move, and making sure everything is clean before we pack it up and head to California.
Going back to Cali.
Babe, I was able to condense, there was technically 5 boxes down to 3 boxes. These are 2 of the 3 boxes. And I thought I'd show you what we're working on next, which is getting our classic car packed up and getting it ready to go. Right now I have to charge the battery because the battery's down, but I have to get that ready. But as you can see, I've already started packing some of our clothes inside of it, and those I storage sealed so that they take up less room. So things are coming along. I have vacuum sealed clothes, and I have more clothes, and still have an extra box. And then we have our black storage containers with the lids. And I have a box in my bathroom that I have not filled up completely, but we're getting there. Technically, I'm getting there. Please like and subscribe and follow us on YouTube.